In this video I will solve another challenge from Robot ICT community forum. So this challenge is, as for me, very simple. The goal of this challenge is create a robot that would take a folder path as input, sort files by creation date, and create subdirectories for each date and categorize the files inside them. So let's start. Okay. Okay. Let's call it organize files bot. Let's start. First of all, I think let's add a little complexity to this task and at the end create the report of the process. So which file where was moved. So for this purpose I will use build data table, and it will only contain two columns. First source, and second one destination. DT report not called organize files. Okay, and property output is DT report. Will be DT report. Next, okay. First of all, we need to show any pop-up input for the user. So the input will be very simple. Okay, get path, enter the path, and please provide the path to the folder. Text box, str path to the folder. Done. Okay, next. I think I will wrap all this in try catch, and in a few seconds I will answer why. After the bot receive the path to the folder, it will need to check is this directory path exist. So and if directory not exists, we need to show some message or I don't know, and execution. Not directory exist. str path to the folder. No folder. Throw. Okay, so if there is no folder, then we need to throw the exception. Okay. No folder. New system exception. Enable. Sorry. String format. Unable to find the folder by the provided file. Okay, let's str. Okay, that's all. And in catch, we will simply show message box. And let's write log. Log. Error. Format. Unexpected error. Exception. Exception message. Oh, sorry. Message and let's call it global catch and message global catch. And let's I don't know, write same message in the message box. Catch message box plus log. Okay, next, if the folder exists, we will proceed further. So next step, we need to create folder or check that we already have the folder where we will move those files. Let's call it destination folder not exist. So we will create it. And of course, if it exists, we will create it. Just create. Not directory exists, and here I will use. By the way, here's my folder source, and here's destination folder. Destination folder. Okay. So it will be in this example. It will be string format. Sorry, this, but I will replace this with a placeholder, because if you want to recreate this code from the video, it's better to use placeholder. It's, I think, much faster for in a lot of cases. And here I will use an environment user name. So instead of this 0, the bot will place a username of this virtual machine, so user. Okay, next, if the folder does not exist, the bot will need to create the folder. Create a folder, and here I will just copy and paste this. Create destination folder. And once again, if there is any problem, try catch create folder. Who knows, maybe, I don't know, access rights problem or something like this. So let's once again throw an exception. Throw exception. Unable to create a dest folder. Okay. New system exception, string format. Unable to create destination folder. Exception. exception message. Message. So the bot will throw exception and show us user the message. Next. Okay, let's go. So to move all the files, let's use for each. It's easy to use in such projects. For each because it's easily to visualize the data. Okay, type argument will be string. Next, various. Let's do simple. Okay, directory get files str path to the folder, and then we need to order them by creation date. So order by function f new file info. We're creating so something a new variable created, I think created date. So all the files will be sorted by creation date. It's the standard, but I don't. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think it's the standard. Okay, next, let's call this move from file and add data to add data row. Okay, so simple if once again. And now we will check if directory exists, where we need to move. For example, the file created on 1st of January of 2020. So the bot need to check if folder with the date exists, then it will just simply then move file to this folder. Else create folder and move file. I think that's this is very simple and obvious. So next, let's create if condition. So directory exists path combine. Now oh, sorry, forgot, because we will use in this video I'm showing how to work with this. I think I will replace okay, I will just use this string format, but this is not a good practice. The better is create this variable. Place this value into the variable. So destination folder. Okay, but this is just a short video. Okay, let's combine. Next, we'll use this is destination folder, and okay. Sorry, forgot to rename this file path. Yes. Oh, let me check. Directory exists. Yes. File get last write time file path to string. So in the string and format will be day, month, year. So the bot will check will pick the file from the file path and check and extract the file last write time, and then convert it to string in format day dot month dot year. So, and I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. Okay, let me copy paste all of the stuff now. So if the folder exists, the bot will simply move move file. I think it's something like this. To date folder already exists. Okay, so from it will be file path and to sorry, it will be destination. Previously copied. Condition now simply converted to the path destination folder. Okay. Now with the second part. So if the file or the folder doesn't exist, first of all we need to create that folder. And sorry, I will use this one. Create folder and move file. Okay, date. So. First of all, let's create folder. Oh, strange. Okay, it will be this, and then let's rename it after folder creation. And that's all. Oh, sorry, I need to add data row. Well, info. Let it be this. Okay. It will be very, very simple. First, it will be this file path. So the data table dt report. Okay. Yes, file path. And the second one will be it will be a little bit complex, but let me show you. Okay, so it will be simple path combine method with two arguments. Like first, it will be path to the folder, and this is our folder. And the second one, and the second argument will be get last print time. Yes, will be file. Oh, this. Just let me recheck. Sorry, file path. This is destination. Path combine string blah 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 blah. Environment destination folder. Second, a new folder, and the third value. Well, Oh, I think this is unnecessary. So, yeah. Root folder, folder with the date. This, and this is the file name. Okay. Let me recheck. Comma or yep. I think I need to add another. Yeah. So, and that's all for this part. And at the end, let's write the CSV file. Let's use this file. It will be the bot folder. So string format. Okay, 0 slash what's this? Report and 1. And here directory get current directory, and the second will be date time now to string, and format will be day, month, year, underscore, and hour, minutes, seconds. Oh, and extension as always, CSV. And data table, this. Few words about the input. This is, let's remove this folder, and this is the input. So there is a lot of files, 240, which created and modified on a different time. So as you can see, details created today, modified in May. So it will be very interesting. So let's play. Let's run the bot. Okay, provide folder path. Oh, I was scared. What is this? And then it worked. So as you can see, all files moved. By the way, let me show you. File created today, but last modified. Let's check in April. So yeah, and the folder date is correct. Next, yeah, Cyrillic. File created today, yes, and modified January, correct. What is this? Oh, simple text files created once again today, but modified July 27, correct. And sorry, these Excel files, as I showed before the bot run, created today, but modified in May this year. So thanks for watching. This is just a simple solution. As always, link to this task in the description. Oh, sorry. And also link to the source code, to the GitHub, also in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.